Hey, are you stressed out business leader? Not having enough time at the end of the week for yourself, your family, all your loved ones? Well, I know exactly how you feel. I've been there myself. And currently I work with my clients who are really struggling with the same issue. So let me give you one little tip that will transform how you feel. You need to get out of your monkey mind. Yeah, the Buddhists used to call it monkey mind because it's always restless, never happy, never satisfied, always grumpy, complaining, greedy, jealous, constantly under pressure. You can never relax from this place, really. So what you need to do is shift from your monkey mind into your true mind, which is always calm, relaxed, and at ease. And it's intuitive in its thinking. Let me know what you think down in the comments. One small shift, moving from your monkey mind into your true mind, an empty mind, in the words of the great Bruce Lee. Let me know what you think. Have a nice week.